Hello, Aries, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus signs. Kamusta kayo? Sana po yung nasa mabuti kayong kalagayan. Welcome back po sa Star Tarot. Kung bago kayo rito, welcome din kayo. Thank you sa inyong support. I truly appreciate it. God bless you all po. Tingnan natin ang mga messages ni Aries for today. Aries, po na mensahe po ninyo, napakaganda. 10 of Water, this is happiness. This is masayang pamilya. You know, domestic happiness, domestic bliss. Ito yun yung pamilyang masaya ang bawat isa dahil nagkakaintindihan. Ang bawat isa yung wala nang iringan, wala nang hindi pagkakaintindihan. No, the family is contented, the family is satisfied, happy, yung ganon sa kung anumang bagay, no? Maaring yung iba sa inyo dito, Aries, nakakapag-provide na kayo ng kung ano yung gusto or kung ano yung kailangan ng bawat isa sa pamilya. Kaya masaya, no? Masaya kayong lahat, yung ganon. So, napakagandang energy ito for you. What else? We have 8 of Air. Ayan. So, dito naman sa 8 of Air, ang iba sa inyo, maaaring dito kayo nanggagaling, no? Maaaring dito kayo nanggagaling na feeling ninyo powerless kayo, wala kayong kapangyarihan na gawin or magdesisyon para sa sarili ninyo, yung ganun ba, no? It's because siguro of negative thoughts, negative feelings na nararamdaman ninyo, maaaring ayun ang nararamdaman ninyo because may mga siguro may mga komento ang ibang tao towards you, maaaring may mga naririnig kayo ng mga negative comments from other people, maaaring gano'n, ano? Kaya feeling ninyo, parang kini-question na ninyo sa ngayon ang inyong mga kakayanan, kini-question na ninyo ngayon ang inyong galing, kaya feeling ninyo, wala kayong kapangyarihan, no, to decide for yourself, wala kayong kapangyarihan para magawa ninyo mga bagay na para sa ikakatagumpay din ninyo. Feeling ko, ganun ang sitwasyon na pinanggagalingan ninyo dito, Aries, no? But since meron tayong 10 of Water, masaya ang bawat isa, supportive ang bawat isa dito, feels like to me na you are coming out of this situation. Feeling ko dito, meron kayong kapamilya or kaibigan or kung sino man na makakatulong sa inyo in a way na siguro mabibigyan kayo ng advice, mabibigyan kayo ng opinion nila about your situation, yung mga ganon, ano? At mai-enlighten kayo. So, feeling ko, papasok dito yung kapamilya ninyo, no? Mga kapamilya ninyo na mas nakakakilala sa inyo, mas nakakaintindi sa inyo, and it feels like you will be receiving advice from other people na yun din ang gigising sa damdamin ninyo, sa isip ninyo, na hindi kayo nag-iisa, na hindi kayo mahina, na hindi kayo kulang, yung gano'n, ano? It feels like to me na you will be reminded na you are as amazing as other people. You are strong, no? Stronger than what you think you are. Yung ganon. Kaya magigising kayo sa katotohanan and you are going to get out of this energy, no? So, what else? We have Ace of Air. Ayan na nga, you will receive epiphanies, you will receive new ideas, new inspiration dito, at kung ano man kung ano man ang nararamdaman ninyo dito exactly sa 8 of Air energy, you will come out of that situation, ano? Magigising kayo sa katotohanan na hindi totoo ito na mahina kayo, hindi totoo na wala kayong tiwala sa sarili ninyo, na wala kayong kayang gawin, ano? Hindi totoo yan. You will receive epiphanies and you will receive enlightenment, you know, and you will come out of that situation. You are going to succeed, no, sa laban na to, no? Kasi posible din na sa isip nyo lang ito, no? Posible na negative thoughts lang talaga yan, no? At makakaalis kayo sa sitwasyon na to. You are going to end up triumphant. You are going to end up successful, no, sa inyong sitwasyon dito. It may be challenging, no, sa pagsisimula ninyo ng bagong path kasi this is a new energy, a new beginning energy. So you're going to head towards a new path dito. It may be challenging at first kasi syempre mangangapa ka pa, siguro at some point magdadalawang isip ka pa, pero you know, mapagtatagumpayan mo yan. This is as triumphant energy as well, kaya sa una siguro mangangapa ka pa, pero eventually, you know, pag nandiyan ka na sa bagong path na yan, mas unti-unti, you know, gagaling ka na talaga, no, sa pagharap sa hamon ng buhay. What else? We have 4 of air. Yun, siguro exhausted kayo, Aries. Maaring mentally exhausted kayo dito. Kaya iniimbitahan kayo na pahinga, no? Iniimbitahan kayo dito to take a rest, to take a vacation, depende sa inyong sitwasyon. Posible din na mayroon kayong kailangan ditong pagmuni-munihan, pagnilay-nilayan, and this could be the 8 of air energy, no? So, you may need to put yourself in solitude dito para mapag-isa kayo, makapag-isip kayo ng mas mabuti, makapagnilay-nilay kayo, you know, when you are all alone, okay? So, pahinga, kasi maaaring pagod na ang isip ninyo, damdamin ninyo, isip ninyo, you know? And with that, makabalik kayo sa balance ninyo, makabalik kayo sa vision ninyo, kung baga, no, Aries. So, final messages ni Aries, angel number 0330, this is the lucky shirt. There will be love, peace, hope, and optimism na mararamdaman ninyo. Transferring responsibility to others, maaring dahil pagod na kayo, no? So, maybe matututo kayo dito na mag-delegate ng trabaho ninyo, ng obligasyon, responsibilidad ninyo, no? Pursue your goals and get what you want. Ayan, yan ang pinakamagandang mensahe din para sa inyo at this time. At dahil dito nga makakaalis na kayo sa 8 of air energy, magkakaroon na kayo dito ng self-confidence. Tataas na ang inyong self-confidence dito. It will provide wonderful benefits for you and the people you hold dear. Your ability to communicate is improving at this time, which will make it easier for you to interact with a broad spectrum of individuals. Dahil magkakaroon na kayo dito ng mas malaking tiwala sa inyong kakayanan, sa inyong sarili. That's why you'd be able to express yourself na, no? Express your ideas, your thoughts, your feelings, yung ganon. You have angel number 333, you have support. You are receiving support dito with the family. Yun ang napipick up ko dito kanina pa. Seeing the angel number 333 is a sign that it's time to focus inward, work on your skills, discover your talents, and use your imagination. Unleash your inner artist. Doing so will boost your self-esteem and sense of competence. It does wonders for your sense of purpose and contributes to your community. So, with the help of these people, no, with your loved ones, talaga namang ka dito, bubuluso kayo dito pataas, ano? You are really going for success. Magkakaroon na kayo dito na mas mataas na self-confidence, mas tataas na ngayon yung self-esteem ninyo, and you'd be able to realize na you are amazing as other people. Meron ka din skills, talents, and gifts just like other people na magagamit mo din para sa iyong pagtatagumpay. So, good luck, Aries. That's all I have for you for today. Thank you for watching. Love and light. Namaste. Hello, Leo, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus signs. Kamusta kayo? Sana po ay nasa mabuti kayong kalagayan. Welcome back po sa Star Tarot. Kung bago kayo dito, welcome din kayo. Thank you sa inyong support. I truly appreciate it. God bless you all. Tingnan natin ang mga mensahe ni Leo. Paunang mensahe po ninyo ay 7 of Air. Ayan. So, there are plans that needs revision. At this time, kailangan mo pa na mag-research siguro, kailangan mo pa na pag-aralan mabuti, balikan yung desisyon na ginawa ninyo or plano na ginawa na ninyo. Maaring may mga bagay pa na kailangan ninyong i-review muli or i-reconsider, no, muli dito sa inyong sitwasyon, Leo. What else? We have Knight of Water. Ayan. So, This is a time for falling in love for some of you, Leo. Maaring ang iba sa inyo dito is going on a date, no? Maaring merong mag-aya sa inyo or siguro kayo yung mag-aaya para makipag-date sa kanya. Maaring ganun ang ganap. There could also be wedding proposals dito kung nasa relasyon na kayo. There is also a time of yung bang mas magiging passionate kayo, mas magiging loving kayo sa ngayon. Maaring kung nasa established relationship na kayo, mas magiging sweeter kayo at this time, mas maraming panahon, quality time with each other, yung ganon, ano. There could be also an invitation to a social gathering dito for some of you, Leo, no? At maaaring doon ninyo makilala yung inyong potential na maging jowa, no? Kung kayo po ay single pa. You have Knight of Fire. Ayan. So, you're going to embody the energy of Knight of Fire talaga sa ngayon. This is your energy din. Mas magiging passionate kayo sa ngayon, no? Adventurous. Busy din siguro ngayon si Leo. Marami din kayong kailangang pagtuunan ng pansin ngayon. Marami din kayong kailangang gawin siguro sa ngayon, ano? There's going to be a sudden event, no, that needs immediate attention dito. Kaya siguro mabibisi kayo dahil ura-urada siguro yung sitwasyon na to, no? Yung kailangan ninyong pagdesisyonan agad, yung kailangan ninyong gawin agad, you really need to take action right away, yung hindi na kayo mag-iisip pa. So, maaaring may ganong sitwasyon dito for some of you, no? Yung parang time is ticking, time is critical for this situation. So, kung may panahon pa kayo na mag-isip, pag-isipan ninyong mabuti. Otherwise, follow your intuition, no? Kasi siguro dito, it might require you to make a decision right away. So, baka hindi na kayo makapag-isip, hindi na kayo mabigyan ng mas maraming oras para makapag-isip pa, diba? Kaya, you may need to tune into your intuition, you know, para mas malinawan ang inyong kaisipan kahit hindi na kayo mag-isip na matagal, you know, you will be led towards what is best, no, para sa iyo dito, Leo. What else? We have Knight of Air. Lahat ng Knight ay nandito. So, Knight. Isa lang yung kulang eh. So, dito naman, events that occur with great speed. So, sobrang bilis na mga pangyayari sa buhay ninyo sa ngayon, Leo. Maaaring related ito sa mga bagong sitwasyon sa buhay ninyo, related ito sa mga bagong tao siguro na papasok sa buhay ninyo, maaaring ganon, ano? Kaya, mabilisan ang galawan, no? Mabilisan ang galawan. So, you may not have that time talaga para pag-aralan or pag-isipan ng mga sitwasyon na to. So, you really need to check in with your intuition. Follow what your intuition is telling you. Dahil kahit hindi kayo makapag-review ng mga bagay-bagay, kahit hindi ninyo pag-aralan mabuti, you know, your intuition will lead you to the best, no? Kung ano ang dapat ninyong gawin sa ngayon, right? Mabilis ang mga sitwasyon sa buhay ninyo sa ngayon, mabilisan ang galawan dito, Leo, kaya siguro, it's either cramming kayo dito or siguro, kailangan dito na siguro may deadline agad-agad, yung ganun ba, no? Yung napaka-short lang siguro ng timeline na binibigay sa inyo dito na kung sino man at kailangan ninyo na pagdesisyonan agad-agad ang mga sitwasyon, okay? Tingnan natin kung ano ba ang final message ni Leo. We have angel number 0606, commitment. Ayan, so this is about, diba, may Knight of Water tayo, so most likely commitment ito with your person, no? Maaari talaga na merong kasalan na ditong magaganap, no? Applying honesty and light daily is a fast track to creating peaceful and meaningful life. It's how you find solutions and comfort, release worries by speaking your truth, and expressing emotions regularly. Open up for the best is yet to come. We also have angel number 444, protection. Ayan, so there's going to be some changes coming in, but wala kayong dapat na ipag-alala because you are divinely guided. You will be given intuitive messages dito para gabayan kayo kung ano ang nararapat ninyong gawin. Get ready for the good things you've been hoping for. You were born for a higher calling. Put your energy into going toward your ambitions, and the universe will align itself to provide you with the right people, circumstances, and resources to make things happen. So, napakaganda dahil divinely guided talaga kayo dito. The universe is going to send you support through other people, resources, kung ano-ano po itong mga kailangan ninyo that will be in alignment with what you are going to do. So, good luck, Leo, and that's all I have for you for today. Thank you for watching. Love and light. Namaste. Hello, Sagittarius, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus signs. Kumusta kayo? Sana po nasa mabuti kayong kalagayan. Welcome back po sa Star Tarot. Kung bago kayo rito, welcome din kayo. Thank you sa inyong support. I truly appreciate it. God bless you all. Tignan natin ang mga mensahe ni Sagittarius. Pauna mensahe po ninyo ay the Two of Air. Ayan. So, you are unable to make a decision right now, Sagittarius, kasi siguro meron pang hindi malinaw sa inyo sa ngayon. Maybe hindi kayo makapag-desisyon dahil kulang pa ang detalye na hawak ninyo, or maybe hindi pa ninyo nakikita yung heart ng inyong sitwasyon, no, Sag? Posible din na hindi kayo makapag-decision pa dito because you are having an internal conflict. Siguro yung isip ninyo at yung damdamin ninyo, yung puso ninyo, hindi pa nag-agree with each other, kaya parang hindi kayo ngayon makapag-decision pa, no? Malabo pa sa isip ninyo ang mga bagay-bagay, kaya hindi pa kayo makapag-decision, okay? So, or maybe you are still in denial. Maaaring ang iba sa inyo, parang dinededman ninyo ang bagay na kailangan ninyong pag-desisyonan, no? What else? We have 8 of water. You are heading towards a new beginning dito, Sagittarius. Meron kayo ditong sitwasyon na iiwanan na. It's because you know that there is nothing there for you. Alam mo, siguro na hindi na to ang lugar para sa'yo, no? Siguro, ano na to, parang hindi na to nagsiserve ng best interest ninyo, kaya magdidesisyon na ninyong iwanan ng sitwasyon na ito, no? So, maaring at some point, nagdadalawang isip siguro kayo with the Two of Air, pero ang magiging desisyon ninyo dito, aalis pa rin kayo, no? Mapapag-desisyon na ninyo ito na this is not for you. This is no longer your place, no, to be. Kaya aalis pa rin kayo dito. Maaring ang iba sa inyo, you're heading towards a spiritual and more emotional growth, no? You are searching for a deeper meaning ng inyong existence. You are searching for a deeper meaning of your life itself, no? Yung ganon. Kaya naghahanap kayo ng mas malalim na dahilan ng bakit kayo nandito. Naghahanap kayo ng deeper meaning ng inyong existence sa mundo. Kaya siguro kayo nakakaramdam na kung nasaan kayo ngayon, parang you are being less productive. You are, alam mo yun, yung parang hindi ninyo nakikita yung value ninyo sa kung ano man ang ginagawa ninyo sa ngayon. Kaya aalis kayo sa sitwasyon na ito sa ngayon. You are heading towards happiness. You are heading towards whatever will make you happy, no? Maaaring kung saan kayo patungo sa ngayon, doon ninyo mahahanap yung contentment, doon ninyo mahahanap yung fulfillment, diba? Na hinahanap ninyo, yung peace and harmony na hinahanap ninyo. We have 8 of fire. Ayan, this is really beautiful energy. Meron tayong dalawang 8 dito sa Sagittarius, and 8 represents material and financial success. Infinity din yan. Kaya napakaganda ng energy nito. Doble pa siya, diba? Kaya I also suggest Sagittarius, no? For more guidance at for more inspiration, for more input, you know, please look up for the meaning of number 88 po, okay? So, there are going to be events that are moving in a fast pace sa ngayon. Mabibilis ang lahat, no, Sagittarius? Kung dito hindi kayo makapag-desisyon, yan talaga ay isa-isang iglap, no? In a flick of a finger, bibilis ang lahat, no? one day siguro pagising ninyo, maiisip nyo na lang na it's about time na, no? To make a decision. So, this is really beautiful energy kasi kung nasa stagnant energy yung iba sa inyo, kung medyo may mga delays, siguro blockages, no? Na nakikita kayo or nararamdaman kayo sa inyong mga sitwasyon now, that will be lifted and you are going to grow, you're going to progress, you're going to keep moving na, no? Delays will be over at maraming bagay dito ang mag-unfold all at the same time. Kaya maaring mabisi kayo, maaligaga kayo, no? This may involve travel, no? Kung saan kayo papunta dito, definitely, maybe that is going to require you to travel. That could be travel overseas, no? Yun ang ganap dito for some of you. We have 9 of Earth. Napakaganda naman ito kasi this is a time for financial comfort. This is a time for prosperity in abundance din, ano? Maaring ang iba sa inyo dito is also going for self-employment. Maaring magiging entrepreneur na kayo. Maaring hindi na talaga kayo masaya sa trabaho ninyo. Hindi na yon yung sa tingin ninyo ang makakabuti sa inyo, no? And you are switching career ngayon from working 9 to 5 job. Maaring kayo ay magpuput up na ng sarili ninyong home-based business, online business, or siguro magne-negosyo kayo with partners, yung mga ganon, ano? But definitely, ngayon, makakaramdam kayo ng kaluwagan pagdating sa pera, no? There are money coming in sa inyo, Sagittarius. Final messages ninyo, angel number 666, time to reflect, no? There will be love, affection, compassion, kindness, attention, and self-love then na mararanasan ninyo. So this is really beautiful. Several unexpected developments will enter your life and impact how you feel. This is a chance to re-evaluate your identity. Ito na nga, no? Si 8 of Water. You need a mental shift toward greater optimism, assurance, and trust. Put your faith in your gut and inner voice. Pay attention to your feelings and use them to help you become a better person. Alright? So, talaga patungo kayo dito, no, sa energy ni 8 of Water. We have angel number 1010. It's up to you as Sagittarius. There will be moderation, patience needed sa inyong sitwasyon. Maybe you're going with the flow with life as in sa ngayon, ano? There will be movement, taking action, ano? Unconditional love, self-realization. Ang daming keywords dito, no? Para sa inyo. It's time to put those long-cherished ideas into action. You will soon come in contact with appropriate individuals, circumstances, and resources. Eventually, you will experience joy as well as brand new opportunities. So, trust in the process, no? You're really having that process of spiritual and emotional growth dito, Sagittarius. So, with the 8 of Water energy talaga, you're heading towards wherever you're going to be happy. You're heading towards a place or a situation that will be in alignment with your destiny. Kaya magiging masayang-masaya kayo dyan. Good luck, and that's all I have for you for today. Thank you for watching. Love and light. Namaste.